Good morning, Eagle Nation. It is Tuesday, the 18th of April, and it's the 152nd day of school. Let's start our day with just a moment of silence. Thank you. And now, your morning announcements. I think we need to hear that again, but maybe not just yet. All right, that song that you just heard. It was a song dedication from Jahari, who says, I want to dedicate this song to I Show Speed so we can chill. Must be a Fortnite thing. Wherever you may be, please stop and stand. Let's rise together for this morning's Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please join me this morning, and I would invite all of you to do so, even if you haven't been doing this yet, because today our focus with respect to celebrating autism is a particular sense called proprioception. Proprioception has to do with the senses that you feel at the joints of your body. So when you do things like lift weights, when you jump on a trampoline, if you carry a heavy book bag, or if you give or receive a really firm, snug hug, all of those things have to do with proprioception because you're sensing at your joints where your bones come together pressure in different ways. So try this with me. If you can't do 10, that's okay. Just do 1. But try it out so that you can better understand what proprioception has to do with. 2, 3, do you feel at your joints how that feels and how the pressure changes as you move your body up and down? That sensation is proprioception. And for many with autism, and I say many because remember yesterday Mr. Parsons reminded us that autism is a paradox. Can't always be explained, and what's true for one person may not be true for the next. But oftentimes, people with autism experience proprioception at a heightened level of intensity, meaning that feeling that you just got from doing push-ups could feel like 10 times more intense for someone else. And that could be an enjoyable thing or not a very enjoyable thing. So it's good to be aware of yourself, but it's also good to be aware of others. This is also important because should you give a handshake or a hug to somebody with autism, it's always important that you gain their permission and understanding. It's good for anybody and everybody to get their permission before you touch in that kind of way. So, proprioception, senses, and pressure at the joints. That's one of your 8 sensory buckets. There are 7 more. They are posted on our Google site. You can review those as a class because it might help you learn more about and be more inclusive of all of those on our campus. Today we celebrate Rashida Tlaib, who is a U.S. representative in the House of Representatives from the state of Michigan. We celebrate her because she was the first woman of Palestinian descent in Congress. She's the first Muslim woman to serve in the Michigan legislature and one of the first 2 Muslim women elected to Congress, along with Ilhan Omar. Just because she's Muslim doesn't inherently make her Arab, because many Arabs are not Muslim and many Muslims are not Arab. In this case, she happens to be an Arab American whose parents descended, or rather immigrated from Palestine. You can learn more about her at the link below this. I encourage you to watch. There's a video also of her victory party when she was elected to Congress. It's only about 1.5 minutes long, but it's pretty moving. It's pretty emotional. I will encourage you to watch that, though, because it's also very uplifting. You can see that below this video as well. Thanks for the song dedications. Thank you for submitting various things. We don't have any new shout-outs to give, so I would encourage you. Students, if you see a teacher or staff member you'd like to shout them out. And teachers who have been giving each other Eagle dollars, just know that we have that raffle coming up tomorrow for recognizing one another, for being respectful, responsible, and caring. And that could mean a pizza party for your class. So students, I hope you're working on a goal worthwhile. In fact, I hope everyone in the past week and a half or so has had a chance to participate in at least one, if not more, second step lesson so that we as a staff can celebrate tomorrow when we come together, because we are working together and we set a goal together. And we are going to celebrate together just for accomplishing that goal. It should be lighthearted, it should be fun, and we hope that you do your part to get us there too. What else is going on today? Let's check in. A couple of things before I forget. Ms. Greenberg's birthday is tomorrow. She kept that a big secret, but it is happening. So if you see her, wish Ms. Greenberg a happy birthday as tomorrow approaches. Congratulations to our 3rd and 4th graders. AASA math is done. Onward to 5th and 6th grade. 5th grade, 6th grade, we're with you in head and heart today. Do your best work. Today's the day to show your work, to go slow, to use the process of elimination, and to show your work every time. You can learn a whole lot on a test just by analyzing the question and the answers. And oftentimes, just through analysis, you can eliminate the wrong choices to come up with the best answer. Today's a great day to do it. We're with you. We hope that you do. Thank you to Mr. Aviles for keeping us all on the track. Also, thank you all teachers, because I did check this morning to see if you've submitted Student of the Month, and all of them are in. So we will start communicating to families to invite them to our celebration, which we're actually going to hold in the first week of May, because there's so much going on next week. Students, we hope that you'll join us next week on Wednesday the 26th for 2 big things. One is our autism celebration walk, which will happen during your lunch and recess time. It'll be fun, and we'll also have some treats and things to give out, but you'll also learn a lot about your classmates, other members of your community, and even yourself. In the afternoon, whether you're in G Road or not, come stick around at school from 2 until 5 p.m. We're going to have a celebration here at school called Y Wellness. And we want all of you, I'm asking all staff to be here that day from 2 to 5, but also you students to come, bring your families, come learn about all the opportunities, get preventive health screenings, see some demonstrations. Phoenix Circus Club will be presenting lots of hands-on activities, give-outs. There's going to be food sold by PTO. So come and just be with your classmates and with our community and learn about how to take better care of yourself. It's called Y Wellness. We'll see you next Wednesday. With that, our attendance. Man, oh man, yesterday 88.3, not our best work. To the date, though, we're still holding strong at 89.3. Help bump this to 89.4. Cuts Talk is on Thursday at 2:30. We have a number of participants. I'll send out another reminder notice coming soon, but we got to get our attendance up. I know we can do a better job, and we are doing it slowly, but we've got 28 days left, including today. So let's all do our part. Onward to some words of wisdom so you can get to the business of teaching and learning today. Today is on the topic of forgiveness. Listen to this ancient Hebrew proverb. Who is mighty? One who makes an enemy into a friend. It's true. There's something really special about turning anger or hatred into friendship and understanding. Ask yourself if there is someone you consider an enemy. Then look for ways to understand that person, to forgive, and let go of the past. Forgiving someone won't change the past, but it can change the future. It's also an important part of learning to be a friend. It's something to think about. This is Mr. Lodato. Mask up today as needed. Hand sanitize regularly. Hats, hoods, and sunglasses off indoors. Then stay in your zones. Put away your phones. And make it a great day today. Or not. The choice is yours.